Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Now after a year of saving, I finally get the chance to build my PC. It is all the parts. Really struggle to save some money, so can't wait to build it. Okay, so this is the motherboard, MSI P550A Pro ATX. I actually wanted to get a white motherboard, but they're so expensive, so I thought that I just get this one. So yeah, it's good enough. As for the CPU, I'm going with the Ryzen 5 3600. It's an OEM product actually, well, because budget is tight, and since I can get this cheaper with a 3 years warranty, so why not? And yeah, that's a tissue used to wrap the CPU to cover it maybe. Well, I will only install M.2 NVMe for now, and later I will just get an SSD or two maybe. By the way, I'm recording this using my smartphone, so I'm sorry for the bad video quality. This is the cooler from ID Cooling, white version. It comes with brackets for AMD and Intel, and with a small thermal paste from ID Cooling. It's cheap, but it's better than the original AMD cooler actually. And here's the PC case. Since I'm trying to make a white dream PC build, so I'm choosing a white PC case. This from Paradox Gaming. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it. Now that the motherboard has been installed into the case, now it's time to install the power supply unit. This is power supply unit from Seasonic and it's a non-modular one, so the cable management will be much later. Now it's cable management time, and I'm kinda having difficulties with these non-modular power supply unit cables, but I think I'm doing okay with this. Not bad, I guess. The trick to doing cable management is just to stuff them all up, just like that. So I got this used GPU for $56, I guess, and I bought this borrowing money from my friend, so I'm technically in debt. Yeah, $56 debt. Really. And this is the result of me activating my creativity settings, I guess. and it looks so much better than before. And there's my name in that side of the graphic card. It's a little, how do I say, frustrating when I cut it to little pieces like that actually. And this is the last one. I'm installing a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. I will mostly use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for my wireless keyboard and mouse, and I will get a wireless headset later. So I managed to turn it on for the first time, but I didn't record it since I was kinda nervous.
So, who are you?
Okay, so that was my first PC build. I hope you guys enjoy watching it. And if you guys decided to build your own PC, my advice would be to research the parts for your PC and watch a lot of videos about PC build. That way, it will help you to avoid many mistakes when building it. So yeah, I guess that's it.
Boss, you had something against Miller? The target's dead. Mission failed.